Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to introduce the HK10 Pro Max smartwatch, the ultimate Apple clone watch that offers exceptional value for your money. Let's talk about this watch worth for money and about user experience. The HK10 Pro Max smartwatch coming with big box. We can find too many clones about this watch. I am going to show you XNova version. Let's find out what include in this box. We can see user guide and 2 watch strap, magnetic charger and the watch. User guide says it work with Wear Fit Pro app and we can connect it with our smartwatch, it compatible with iOS and Android also. Watch design is heavy, and same size about Apple Ultra watch. This smartwatch features a metallic finish that adds a touch of sophistication to your wrist. Same look at the popular Apple Ultra watch. Featuring a metallic end, the HK10 Pro Max exudes durability and elegance. With its customizable 3 buttons, you have the freedom to tailor the watch to your preferences, making it uniquely yours. We can choose language when starting. Then we can see watch ask to connect Wear Fit Pro app using QR code. We can download Wear Fit Pro app from Google Play Store, App Store and scanning this code from watch face. Click home button, then we can see watch face. HK10 Pro Max smartwatch, equipped with a vibrant and crystal clear OLED display. Designed to provide easy readability, then we can see colorful display here. Display touch are smooth, we can give 9 marks from 10 for the display. The best thing is battery life in the smartwatch. The smartwatch battery daringly quick. It's waste money when we buy in clone. HK10 Pro Max battery capacity 450 mAh. Sometimes it can depends on manufacturer and version. I will record this video end up to 4 days, and I will share user experience about battery life. You will find it in this video. We can change watch face easily from the watch. Hold on watch face then swipe to find good watch face. When we connect to the smartphone using Wear Fit Pro, we can download too many watch faces, therefore no need to worry about watch faces. When we swipe to down, we can see mobile notifications. I am not connected my phone yet to get notifications. We can see so many features from setting. Sleeping trackers, alarms, activities, personal informations, people informations coming with after connect the phone, we can manually add it from Wear Fit Pro app. Then we can sport functions securely in the smartwatch. When receiving calls, we can enable ringing watch also. Sound can adjust from watch setting. Over the past week, I've had the opportunity to test out and wear this smartwatch, and I must say, it has been quite an experience. The sleek design and comfortable fit make it a pleasure to wear throughout the day, and the range of features it offers is truly impressive. From tracking my daily steps and monitoring my heart rate to providing notifications for calls and messages, this smartwatch has quickly become a seamless integration into my daily routine. The accompanying app allows me to easily customize and personalize my watch face, as well as track my progress and set fitness goals. One of the standout features for me is the sleep tracking function, which provides valuable insights into my sleep patterns and helps me make adjustments for a better night's rest. Additionally, the smartwatch also offers a variety of workout modes, such as running, cycling, and swimming, which accurately track my performance and provide detailed summaries of my workouts. Overall, my experience with this smartwatch has been extremely positive, and I highly recommend it to anyone looking for a versatile and reliable wearable device. It's compatible into the hand-wearing watch strap. We can purchase watch strap for this watch, therefore we can change colors and design on watch strap. When we're talking battery life, we can use this watch usually 3 days. It depends on your activity. If you are using full functions in this watch, battery drain within 12 to 15 hours. It can be changed or reduced to 8 hours, when you're receiving too many calls and notification. If you wish to keep battery life longer, you can keep disconnect to the mobile, reduce sport apps, and other apps also. And we can connect mobile and keep using limited features to keep battery life longer. As an example, we can disconnect Bluetooth audio call option. Watch strap also coming with metallic end. Therefore its look good, lock and stronger. And we can adjust its size, therefore it fit to any hand. When we swipe to down, we can see mobile notifications. It's pretty good watch. If you're going to buy it, search HK10 Pro Max watch, then you will find too many sites following your location. If you have any other questions about the watch, ask me below in comment section. I will reply you. Comment me below. Is this video helpful? Or not? Subscribe me to watch more videos. Anyone can reach us with Facebook now. Thank you watching us. See you again.